YouTube channel. So before starting this video, I just want to discuss about what I actually think about this. I have seen this trend going on from quite a while now, and some feels motivated about it, some feels negative about it. But I personally think it's quite motivated that you have a quality routine that will help you grow mentally and physically and become a best version of yourself. The idea of becoming that girl is different in everyone's head. Let's just set some quality routine for ourselves and start working on becoming the best version of ourselves. Now let's just get into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy.
So I have added walking to my routine and it feels so good and refreshing early in the morning. Also, I'm learning yoga these days, and do not make fun of my postures. Everyone has a different set of goals for themselves. For me, this is one of them. I have added 2-3 new things to my routine: waking early in the morning, going for a walk, learning yoga, meditation for 5 to 10 minutes, reading 5 pages a day. 20s are the best age to build a healthy routine for yourself. So here I am motivating you all to build a healthy routine for yourself, which will help you grow mentally and physically. Try to make time for yourself because you deserve it. A small reminder that self-care is a necessity. After a good workout, let's prepare a healthy breakfast. The routine That Girl is definitely a mindset. Prioritizing self-care practice is a necessity these days, and creating a routine for yourself is self-care. Nothing is perfect, so let others get inspired by how you deal with your imperfections.
क्या विधि होता बताओ ना हेज बताता ही दिखाओ ये छोटा 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 जिन्हें बड़ा बड़ा लग गया ini आंटी मुझे नहीं हिला रही पूरा हिलाई दिया
Although I'm not a person who reads, but there are multiple benefits of reading books, so I thought to give it a try. I hope you guys enjoyed my realistic morning routine for becoming that girl. Also, I'm following this routine since 2 weeks now, and I'm kind of enjoying this routine and will try to continue this routine. I hope I motivated you all a little to set realistic goals and realistic routine for yourself. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.